You'll want to calibrate your Robo E3 for two reasons. One is your print head is too high, as shown here. When this is the case, the print will not stick to the platform and eventually will become removed, causing a failed print. You'll see this happen right here. Another reason you may need to calibrate your Robo E3 is the print head is too low, in which case no material will come out of the extruder. Go ahead and click Tools, click Settings, and click Calibration. It will then adjust to the home position and move downwards to begin the calibration test. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab a small sheet of paper, as shown here, and run it under the print head. It should move freely back and forth. After you've done this, go back to the touchscreen and press the down arrow while running the paper back and forth under the print head. You're going to want to press it a few times until you feel a slight grab on the piece of paper. Once you feel the print head slightly grabbing the piece of paper, you know you're at the right height for calibration. It should look a little bit like this video. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press OK, then press completed, and your calibration will be stored on your Robo E3. Congratulations on calibrating your printer.